If you're transitioning and need an effective way to get rid of facial and body hair, then keep watching.
So this is the part of the video where I'm going to introduce this bad boy. However, full disclosure, I've tested this on myself and I've seen legitimate results. I won't say that I'm completely hairless in these areas, but she works. Okay, she works. This is great if you have like a little something something that you want to take care of, but you don't necessarily want strangers all up in there. If you know what I'm talking about. You might be thinking, girl, there's no way that thing will permanently delete my hair, like it's a computer. Will permanently get rid of my hair, but first of all, I've tried it on myself and I've seen legitimate results. But also, this might be kind of gross, but you can literally smell it. Like, you know how I said earlier in the salon, you can literally smell the hair follicle burning? Bitch, you can smell this shit working. Like, I was like, all right, yeah, it could just be like heating up. It could just be like zapping me or like shocking me or something, but I don't think so. I mean, maybe they're fooling me and they got like a scented something in here to smell like burning hair, but I think it works. Okay, so I plugged it in and as you can see, this little green light is flashing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna hold it for like a second. You hear it? As you can see on the front, it has this little light indicator. So when you press the button on the back, you can go up in level. So there's a level 1, then it goes all the way up to level 5, depending on the strength that you wanted to use, depending on like the darkness of your hair, all that kind of stuff. It's gonna like do it on my hand just to like show you guys. Also, it has a little sensor right here, so like you can't, like even if you push the button, if it's not against your skin, it won't do anything. So you don't like flash yourself in the eye. It has like a little safety feature. We love that. Flash warning, because it is very bright. So if you have some sort of like flash thing, maybe like skip 10 seconds. Basically what you do is you put it on and you just go along the area that you shaved, that you're trying to remove the hair from, and you do that. I'm gonna turn it off because like, I don't know if that's like disrupting the audio. I'm kind of a no pain, no gain type of person. So I usually crank it up to like a level 5, unless I'm doing like sensitive areas where I wanna be a little bit more careful. Then I'll put it down to like a 3 and then maybe work my way up. So yeah, that's this little guy. Love him. Thank you so much, KetchBeauty.